Hi, I'm Songezo Mcilizeli and I'm an independent artist. Yesterday I performed a piece called Unfolding Shadows. The piece is based on patriarchy and initiation rites and black man issues and all of those complexes. What I think about my body, my space is that it's grown so much over the years. It is my second time visiting my body, my space.
Speaks of battles fought, of resilience, the lessons taught. Dance through pain, dance through tears, dance for the hope hidden beneath fears. In the rhythm of struggle, beauty lies. In the rise, beneath the skies, we'll find our dance.
And this year's program was actually amazing with all the artists that came through, like people like Vincent Mansu, Lulu Mlangeni, and Opus Beko, and Simangaliso. These are the people that have been contributing to Fexi, which PJ calls them as Forgotten Angels. And Forgotten Angle is celebrating 30 years, and the festival itself is celebrating 10 years this year, which is a big one for them. And I'm glad that I've been part of this celebration for this year.